Most people ask AI random money questions. Today, we'll turn it into a practical system for your paycheck routine without pretending AI can guarantee financial results. Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not giving financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. AI tools can help you think, but they cannot guarantee profits or predict the future. Always do your own research and consult professionals before making financial decisions. Thank you. If payday comes and your money disappears within days, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple system for planning your paycheck before it arrives, using AI as an assistant, not your financial decision maker. Now here's the real problem. Most people don't actually have a money problem. They have a timing problem. Money comes in. Spending decisions happen immediately. Planning happens later. And when planning happens after spending, it usually turns into damage control. You've probably experienced this before. Payday arrives. You pay bills. Grab food. Buy small things that seem harmless. Maybe subscribe to something. Maybe spend a little extra because you finally got paid. Then a week later, you check your balance and wonder how things moved so fast. That's where a paycheck routine helps. The goal is simple. Give your money jobs before your money finds jobs by itself. A paycheck routine solves 3 major problems. First, forgetting irregular expenses. A lot of people remember rent. They remember internet bills. But they forget birthdays, school requirements, transportation spikes, medicine, replacement costs, unexpected events, subscription renewals, family obligations. Second, underestimating small spending. Small purchases feel small individually. Together, they're not always small. Third, making decisions while stressed. Money decisions usually get worse when they happen under pressure. Planning early reduces that pressure. This is where AI becomes useful. Not because AI magically fixes money, but because AI is good at organizing messy information. So here's the workflow. Step 1, collect numbers before opening AI. Seriously, do this first. Write down your expected paycheck amount, your fixed bills, debt payments, savings goals, variable expenses, upcoming events, and anything unusual this pay cycle. Examples of variable expenses include food, transportation, entertainment, shopping, eating out, and personal care. Examples of unusual costs include birthday gifts, school supplies, travel costs, medical expenses, and special events. Because bad inputs create bad outputs. Now open AI. Use a prompt like this. Help me create a paycheck allocation plan. My paycheck is $500. Fixed expenses are rent $120, utilities $30, transportation $50, phone bill $20, and groceries $100. My savings goal is $50. Create categories for essentials, savings, variable expenses, and buffer money. Show percentages and suggest adjustments if spending exceeds income. Notice something important. We're not asking, how do I become rich? We're not asking, what investment doubles my money? We're asking AI to organize. That's a much better use case. Once AI gives a plan, don't stop there. Ask follow-up questions. Ask, which categories seem risky based on this budget? What expenses should become sinking funds? How much buffer money should I keep? What categories look unrealistic? Can you reorganize this plan if I suddenly lose 10% of my income? The quality of your follow-up questions usually matters more than the first prompt. Now let's look at an example. Imagine someone gets paid $500 per paycheck. AI might organize it like this. Bills and fixed expenses, 40%. Food and groceries, 20%. Transportation, 10%. Savings, 10%. Flexible spending, 10%. Emergency fund, 5%. Buffer money, 5%. Looks nice. Looks organized. But now we verify. Verification matters because AI can confidently create wrong plans. Start with irregular expenses. Did it include school expenses, special events, unexpected transportation, family obligations? Then check the percentages. Can food realistically stay at 20%? Is transportation too low? Did savings become too aggressive? Now check the math itself. Because sometimes AI creates percentages that accidentally exceed income. Never trust a plan because it looks professional. Trust a plan because it survives checking. Here's another mistake people make. They create plans with zero margin. Every peso already assigned. Every dollar already spent. That creates fragile budgets. Buffer money exists because real life exists. Use buffer money for unexpected fare increases, extra groceries, small emergencies, or last-minute expenses. Even small buffers matter. Now here's the human judgment checklist I'd use before following any AI paycheck plan. Question 1. Can this survive unexpected expenses? Question 2. Am I being realistic or optimistic? Question 3. Did I accidentally label wants as needs? Question 4. Would next month break this system? Question 5. Am I cutting essentials too hard just to make numbers fit? Question 6. If income drops slightly, does the plan completely fail? AI is good at structure. Humans decide priorities. Now let's make this practical. Here's the paycheck routine you can copy. Step 1. Write your expected paycheck. Step 2. List fixed expenses. Step 3. Estimate variable spending. Step 4. List upcoming unusual costs. Step 5. Ask AI to organize categories. Step 6. Check totals manually. Step 7. Add buffer money. Step 8. Review spending after payday. Step 9. Adjust next cycle. That's the system. Simple. Repeatable. Not perfect, but useful. One more thing. Your first paycheck plan probably won't work perfectly. That's normal. A routine improves through repetition. The goal isn't making the perfect budget. The goal is becoming less surprised by your money. If you try this paycheck routine, comment with one thing AI helped organize or one mistake you caught before payday. And if you want another practical workflow, watch my next video. Plan first, spend second, and make every dollar work before payday. AI disclosure. This video was created with the assistance of AI tools. Some or all of the following may be AI-generated or AI-assisted. Script, voice, visuals, images, and editing elements. All content has been reviewed and edited by a human before publishing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next part of this series. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.